offense.
Get off my property. Get off my property! Get the out!
Throw rocks? Are you throwing rocks right now? Yep, let's go.
I throw rocks at my dog.
Come here. Throw rocks.
I didn't throw rocks. Get away from me!
Police received 9 calls in the same night from the same address. A woman has been calling regarding her dog being taken by her ex, so officers show up to her property yet again and attempt to let the lady know they cannot help her and she needs to stop abusing 911. But as simple as it sounds, they quickly realize she is not interested in cooperating with them.
Do you need medical attention?
No.
She's advising no med. We're here. So how can we help you?
I don't need you here. I need you to go get my dogs. No, you're not? Okay. Thank you.
Hold on a second. I want to explain something to you real quick, alright?
Hey.
So, you calling 911 like the way you did? She just slammed the door in our faces and told us.
And after showing the officers that she's in control and they aren't handling things to her liking, she answers the door again. But this time she intends on taking things up a notch.
I reported my dogs. If you're not gonna get my dogs, get the fuck off my property.
I need to explain something to you.
I don't need you to explain
what you doing
shit to
calling us the way you are?
If you want to explain something to me,
offense.
Can you pass? Can you pass the test?
Pass what test?
Can you pass the test?
I can pass any test, yes. What test are you trying to have me pass?
I'm sorry. Get off my property. You're not going to get my dogs? Get the f*** off my property. Mine stolen. I pay Nappy's vet bill.
I could explain some options for you.
I don't want options. I want my dog.
Okay.
And you're not going to do that. So get the...
So you don't want to know the options that you have?
I don't have options. I want my dog.
Okay.
And you're not going to get my dog. So please, just leave. Okay? You're not going to get my dog?
So...
I don't care what you have to say. You're not going to get my dog, right?
But you don't care what I have to say.
That I pay for?
But you don't care what I say.
What do you have to say to me?
So,
what the f*** do you have to say to me
so,
that I don't already know?
I don't think you do know, honestly, ma'am.
Oh my God. What? They know I'm black or something? Now you got to send 5 of you? Get the f*** away from me.
Do you know?
You're not going to get my dog? Get the f*** away from me. You aren't worth a f***. Go control some dumb spot. Go control Plum Coast like you have been. Go gang up on the city like you have been. Do your pointless work and don't do a goddamn thing for me because you're not going to do shit for me.
Can I explain something?
I paid $3 grand for this dog and for my ex to come in and take him.
Mm-hmm.
You, no offense, you, go get the out of my yard. Nobody needs you. So, it's a civil matter that they can't even help. Get the out my yard.
No, here's the deal. I'm the shit super. Stop wasting my time and our resources.
Skinhead.
Stop wasting our calling 911.
Don't gang up on somebody else. You
call again, you're going to go to jail.
You work for me, you. This is what the you do. You're a civil help. Get the out of here. Get off my yard. Go post up. Go waste your time sitting somewhere else.
You're wasting my time right now by dialing 911 over and over
and over. You don't work for dispatch. You sit in a yard. Shut the up and get the what the do you do? Do you answer phone calls? No. Get the out of here. You're not needed. They have it under control. They have it well under control. Get the out of here, you skin-headed you short you slow you can't even pass a test. Go join the army. Go be in the reserves. But you can't do that. That's why you are. Get the out of here. Nobody needs you. Nobody needs you.
So, I'm going to explain a couple things.
And go run my tags. Make sure you see me. Make sure you get me out there because you have nothing better to do. Get your bald headed out of my... Get off my... No, shut up. Hold on one second.
Don't tell me shut up.
Shut up. I can't. Get off my property. All of you.
So...
Get off my property.
One option you
You
have.
short little.
Look up on Google, okay? And
Shut up! Get off my property!
Misuse of 911, which is a criminal offense.
Get off my property!
And disorderly conduct.
Feeling powerless, officers discuss what options they realistically have left. However, within seconds, she actually makes the next move for them.
You have to see her do it to take her?
Yeah.
But we can forward on it.
I was just trying to give her some options.
I was hoping she would just call our family member.
Well,
and that's what she goes.
Well, that, and she was getting very, very close to me. Where I thought she was going to hit me. And then we were just at that level.
Who's primary on it? Can we just forward charges for misuse of 911?
I gotta confirm her picture.
Then, take the recordings they sent us.
It's not misuse, you dumb. My dog is gone! That I paid $3 grand for, he's gone!
Well, we tried.
So, you. You're not worth a. You're not worth a. Get off my property! Get the out! You and you. Get the off! You think you're so hot because you're man on my property? Get the out, you. Go each other.
Hope you find
Each other.
Have a good night.
Go.
Good luck finding your dog.
Enjoy your night.
Throw rocks?
Are you throwing rocks at us?
Yep, let's go.
I throw rocks at my dog.
Come here. Throw rocks at me.
I didn't throw rocks at you. Get away from me! I didn't throw rocks at you!
Yes, you did.
No, I
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
I threw rocks.
Put your hands on your back now. Stop resisting.
Ow! I threw
Stop
rocks at my
resisting.
dog.
Stop resisting. Got one.
No, look where my rocks went!
Stop resisting now.
I'm not resisting.
You're under arrest.
Look where the rocks went!
You threw it right at us.
No, you're lying!
You definitely threw them at us.
No, my dog's in there alone, please.
Nope.
I did it!
You just to yourself.
You absolutely did.
Charlie, shoot that.
No, because there's no... You know what? I have cameras in my front yard. I didn't throw rocks at you. I threw them down. And it's on my camera. So, fine. It's on my camera. You've done this before to my... I didn't throw rocks at you. They didn't even touch you. You hurt them. And you hurt my dog is in there. Please let me tell my mom.
Where's your mom?
She's in St. Augustine. Nobody is here. Nobody is here, and I threw them in the yard. It's on my camera. Oh yeah, we have that. We can back on you skinheaded fuck. It's on my camera. And you...
Are your weapons on you? Do you have any weapons on you?
I threw the rocks in my... God, you dirty... You can't take me talking you have to do this to me? I threw the rocks in my yard. I don't even... Oh no, my dog! I can't... My dog! My baby!
Come on, take a seat.
No, my baby! Okay, but my baby... I didn't... You know I didn't, just like you know I didn't. It's this skinhead.
Put your feet in the car.
Nobody's even at... Nobody is here. I have to call... Please, I know.
You'll have your chance to call. Get in the car.
No, I don't have any shoes. The jail's dirty.
Give you shoes.
I didn't do anything to you, and it's gonna come on camera.
Get in the car. We're gonna drag you in the car.
And you attack. Or
If I have to pull you in this car, I will. But I don't want to.
But I know because you know I did
I'll
it.
keep talking to you if you put your feet in the car.
Get that skinhead the out of here, you. Yeah, record
comment is you out here. Come on, put your feet in the car.
Rocks in my yard. I'm allowed to do that.
Let's go. Yeah.
28-year-old Stefferson is charged with obstructing a police officer. Florida Statute 843.02 makes it a crime to obstruct, oppose, or interfere with a law enforcement or police officer who is lawfully performing their duties, and examples include refusing lawful commands, pulling away, tensing up, blocking entry, giving false information, delaying officers, interfering with investigations, or refusing to cooperate during a lawful investigation or detention. This is a first-degree misdemeanor with maximum penalties up to 1 year in county jail, up to 12 months of probation, and up to a $1,000 fine. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know what you guys think about this case, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Have a good night. Good luck finding your dog. Enjoy your night. Throw rocks. Can you throw rocks at us? Yeah, let's go.
I throw rocks in my yard.
Come here, throw rocks.
I didn't throw rocks. Get away from me! I didn't throw rocks at you!